My search campaign is in learning phase for more than 4 days. Should I increase my budget? Don't touch it. Let it run and see what happens. Because the more changes you're going to make, so it's kind of like every time you make a change, it goes 2 steps back to go 4 steps forward, right? Leave it alone. Let it run and see what happens. It usually does take 4 to 5 days anyway for the learning phase. It's not like Facebook is complete opposite. It starts very quickly. So the analogy between Facebook and YouTube is Facebook is like a cheetah, 0 to 60 in literally 6 seconds or so. But after a little while, it gets tired and we can't scale, and then cheetah has to stop. YouTube is like an elephant. It starts very slowly, but when it gathers pace, it is literally unstoppable, and you can keep on scaling all the time. And you won't have any problems with accounts getting suspended or Google not taking your money, because Google will gladly take your money as much as you want to give it, unlike Facebook, which when you try to scale it, before you know it, your account has been shut down.